Whew, okay. Hey felicities. Totally not even using my tripod. Hair is up with this little thing just to get the bangs out. We're just doing a quick video showing like some of the silk stuff I picked up from Lilysilk after I got that silk dress, and so it just arrived. Thank God that it's been a week so that we know any of the bacteria on the stuff's gone, and then I threw away the plastic bags and wash my hands. So properly quarantining and ordering, I know I'm so bad. This is the boxes that Lilysilk has, and I don't know which one will be in. I ordered clothing and bedding, and I have to wash it, so that's why I want to open it right away. And, oh yes. So the first one is actually silk pillowcases. I got these silk pillowcases that I'm going to be washing like right now. And these are 100% mulberry, and it's in the dark teal color. And to get the free shipping, which basically evens out, since if I just paid for the 2 pillowcases, which I bought, I would have paid the exact same price if I didn't get these hair ties. So we're gonna watch these two. Just cause, if you didn't know, fun fact, when things come in through the port of Los Angeles or Long Beach, one of the actually biggest users of pesticide are the ports, and so they spray down everything that comes from different countries as a way to try to kill anything that might be an invasive species, bugs that come from other countries into the US. And unfortunately, they also spray down our clothes, anything that's being shipped from other countries, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Ooh, and look, I have a pimple, but it's okay, because we are human. Oh yeah, and I'm in like my family room that we kind of use as like a workout room. This one now, then I know what it is, because, and I'll have to do a separate video of me wearing it. Super nice how they're like packaged. And it's, you can see like dark red. This is actually another slip dress that I picked up, and this time it's in the color red. It's the same cowl look as my deep blue one, and I'm super excited. I know, like, what am I wearing this for, but I'm preparing for the end of the quarantine. And then also, why not look sexy and like, yeah, so this one is like, as you can see, the red isn't as dark that it's coming off of, but it's more like a wine. And this is the big one that I need to get washed like ASAP. I know, oh my gosh, a Lilysilk Haul. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the box. Oh, so excited. Look at how it comes in. I got bedding. Super excited to wash this. There's a tutorial, and I'm gonna link the tutorial I watched of the silk bedding. But I'm super excited. It is kind of pricey. It's like $125, $150. But okay, stimulus check, whatever. But also I have my other ways I get money. But I really wanted to shift my bed into silk, especially with my long hair, and then it's supposed to be good for your skin, and then I am just obsessed with silk. And I really like Lilysilk, since after I made the order with the pillowcases, I became a VIP member. So then I was able to get this discounted, and on top of the discount code, so I spent about maybe like $40 or $50 less if I wasn't a VIP member and if I didn't have the code. And so just wanted to show y'all this as a quick haul and also do a video. I know currently on my bed, and this is part of the vlog, the haul I did of Lilysilk, and this is just my quick first impressions. We washed and dried and used the silk bedding and the pillows, and it's actually quite easy to wash if you have the right silk detergent and distilled white vinegar and a lot of time to let it just dry properly, since I didn't use the what do you call it, the washing machine, and so it feels really nice. The distilled vinegar is to help with the sheen and something about the alkali pH levels, and then my last night's rest was really good. I did get a feel for like my hair wasn't as crazy, but it's still like there's still some frizz. Like it's not like it's gonna be perfect, like you're gonna wake up and it's as if your hair was brushed, but it definitely wasn't as bedheady as previous times I've slept. And so for sure just wanted to get my like first thoughts on the bedding. Can't wait to use it some more, and maybe in like 2 weeks, since obviously I'm using it every day, I'll give you an update. But yeah, so super obsessed with Lilysilk, really enjoying mulberry, 100% mulberry silk. This is the 19mm mom silk grade, and yeah, feels great. I mean, I could have spent hundreds more and gotten the 25 one, but this one's good. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think about silk pieces, and if you bought anything from Lilysilk, or definitely check them out. This is by no means like sponsored, and so hopefully check them out, and then you share your personal experiences on their product. So thanks so much. Bye, Felicities.